Today I am giving you a tour of 901 South Smith Road, Unit 1073 in Tempe, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Tempe, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Tempe. Welcome to this stunning townhome, centrally located in North Tempe. Notice the light and bright interior with elegant wood-style flooring throughout the main living areas. The gourmet kitchen is sleek and features beautiful white cabinetry, upgraded quartz counters, pendant lighting, and stainless steel appliances. The living area also features an abundance of natural light, along with sliding glass doors that connect to the outdoor patio with turf. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The other two bedrooms also feature their own private ensuite bathrooms and have a mix of other amenities such as additional patio/balcony and walk-in closet. Other wonderful features of this townhome include an in-unit laundry, a private 2-car garage, and an extra half bath located downstairs for added convenience. The primary suite is a spacious retreat with its own second-story balcony and ensuite bathroom with elegant finishes, a dual vanity, walk-in shower, a private commode room, and walk-in closet. Experience the height of Tempe living. Schedule a self-showing today.